Hi guys, this is the Java series part 79. Now let's discuss about how to write the content in the file using the FileWriter class. Okay, first I import the FileWriter class that is present inside the java.io package. F must be capital, W must be capital. Okay, and I import input output exception to handle the errors. Okay, and this is my class test2FileWrite. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I implement the exception handling using the try and catch block. So inside the round brackets, I pass the input output exception and the name of the variable. Whatever we want, we give. Here I give IE. Now I create the object for FileWriter class. Okay, FileWriter is the name of the class and FW is the name of the object for FileWriter class, and new is the keyword that is used to create the memory for FW object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for FileWriter class. Inside the round brackets we have to pass the path of the file. Inside the D drive backslashes text to file. AB is my text to file. Now I try to write the content inside this file only using the FileWriter class. Okay, and inside this FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Okay, with the help of that write method only now we can write the content inside this AB text file. Okay, so I use the object for FileWriter class to call the write method. Okay, and here inside this round brackets we pass the content inside the quotes. Welcome to my home. Always be happy. Okay, so this is the content. Whatever we want we give. So this content will be stored inside the AB text file using this write method that is present inside the FileWriter class. Okay, that's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, we have to close the object for FileWriter class in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, so FW is the object for FileWriter class, and using the close method we can close the opened file. Okay, system.out.println successfully updated. This is for our output message. Okay, if any error is raised inside the try block means this catch block is responsible to handle that error. Okay, so this inbuilt exception class is used to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, and here system.out.println IE. Okay, this is the variable for this IO exception class. So the inbuilt exception message will be stored, that will be printed with the help of the println method. Okay, so I repeat it again. This is my file Okay, AB is my text file. This file is present inside the D drive and I want to write the content inside this text file. How is it possible? With the help of the FileWriter class. Okay, this FileWriter class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. With the help of this inbuilt method only we can write the content inside this specified file. Okay, and after then we have to close the FileWriter object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, and this is only the output statement. This catch is responsible to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, so here this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console using the println method. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. First we have to save this file. Now let me execute this one. So we got successfully updated. Okay, open the file that is present inside the D drive. Okay, what is the name of the file? AB. This is the file. Here, welcome to my home, always be happy. Okay, now I change this content. God is always with us. This is my new content. After save, I execute the same. We got successfully updated. Now open that file again. AB is the name of the file. So God is always with us. So if we want to write the content inside the specified file, we can use the FileWriter class. Okay, this is present inside the java.io package, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Using this inbuilt method we can write the content inside the specified file. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.